Meaning under the surface is the control not out in front of us.
Yeah, exactly. It's just simply a way to keep Earth as a colony. And the way you do that is you keep its inhabitants not really knowing what's going on, and so consumed with fighting each other, so consumed with all of the problems that this brings, that all we have time to really think about mostly are problems. We're worried about our paychecks. Now we're worried about what Russia's going to do in Georgia. We're worried about if Iran is going to be bombed by the United States or Israel. And so seeing the outside never can happen. Our usefulness has changed, but we're still useful, but in a different way.
To underscore that stumbling upon the UFO link to the odd and frequently violent state of human affairs has happened to other thoughtful researchers before, William Bramley told me that he had never read early 20th century Charles Fort until his third draft of The Gods of Eden. Then he knew he had to include a quote from the 1919 first book by Charles Fort entitled The Book of the Damned, in which Fort explained the damned were all subjects excluded from formal science, and one of those damned subjects was the involvement of other non-human intelligences with planet Earth. Quote, human beings appear to be a slave race breeding on an isolated planet in a small galaxy. As such, the human race was once a source of labor for an extraterrestrial civilization, and still remains a possession today. To keep control over its possession and to maintain Earth as something of a prison, that other civilization has bred never-ending conflict between human beings, has promoted human spiritual decay, and has erected on Earth conditions of unremitting physical hardship. This situation has existed for thousands of years, and it continues today." Unquote. Now, the challenge for 21st century humans is to face the fact that we're not alone in this universe, and we no longer have to get down on our knees before the gods.